Hello, so we are going to make some silver oak cafe blend coffee from Blue Tokai today. This has a flavor of hazelnut, honey and grapes. This is medium roast as coffee with medium bitterness, very flavorful. You can smell it from here. And we are going to use today our moka pot and milk frother, and I will make a cafe latte and show you how it is done. So first of all, this is how the moka pot works. This is the bottom chamber where you add some water. This is where your coffee goes. This has small holes in it for the steam to come through. So you put the coffee here, then you apply this filter on top of it. This is again a metallic strainer, and then you close it with the rest of the top piece of this moka pot. So first let's get started. We'll fill the moka pot with some water first. So we fill the moka pot with water up to right up to this point, just below the safety valve. Then we will put this filter here, and now we will add our coffee. This is pre-ground coffee. So this is basically powdered coffee beans, and if it was fresh coffee beans, then we'd have to grind it ourselves. So now we will add this coffee here.
You can show coffee in spoon, the texture will be visible.
So this is enough. So when we are using a moka pot, we need to fill up this up all the way to the top so that it builds enough steam pressure. So we cannot use less coffee or more coffee, like the amount of coffee is constant. This is a 6-cup moka pot, so it makes 6 equivalents of espresso. So we have added the amount of coffee. Now we'll close this, and we'll add this thing. It has a gasket on top. Make sure that it is tightly closed. Now we will place it on the stove on medium heat. And we will wait for the water to boil. So we are taking some milk in the French press. We will be frothing it by hand. In case you don't have a milk frother, you can do this. Take the milk. This is how the French press works. There is this strainer, and you can press it from the top. So we will place it here, and then we will plunge it a few times to create the froth. This will mix air into the milk. So you can do it manually, or in case you have a coffee frother or a milk frother, you can just use the milk frother directly, like you have there. I think that's done. Now we have a layer of foam on top of this milk, Now what we will do is we will take our cup and we will add 1 espresso shot equivalent of this moka pot coffee. It smells amazing. I think this much should be enough. Maybe a little bit more. And now we will add our milk slowly. Okay, so we can see that the coffee has started coming out. There is also a bit of steam leaking from the pot, but it does not matter right now. So we have to make sure that this is at medium heat so that the coffee comes out very slowly. If it comes out too fast, then it will be diluted and under extracted. It needs to come out slowly for the maximum strength. Again, we need to modulate the heat carefully to make sure it does not sputter or spill. So I think this is mostly done. We can switch off the heat now. And that is our moka pot coffee. Now we will boil some milk and we will make a cafe latte out of this. We also have a few different coffees. Silver Oak Cafe Blend with hazelnut, honey and grapes flavor. And then we have the Attican Estate Coffee, dark chocolate figs, roasted almonds. This one is Kala Devpura Estate. And we have the Amaltas blend, which is much more fruitier, more suited for cold brews. And that's it. We have created our cafe latte. You can add sugar if you want, but I prefer it without sugar, so that's it.